Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about shop lighting. I've got 8 LED shop lights that are hanging. Um, some of them are really bright, some of them are okay. I even have this little, that makes the world of difference when filming, and I always forget to turn it on. I, I need more lighting that's going to be a little bit more uh, spread out. I could use a couple more spaces. So today I'm going to Costco to pick up a couple things. I'm going to go see what they have there. Also, um, Amazon website, I should say. I'm going to go check their sites too. I'm not going to go crazy. I don't have a big budget. It's very tiny. I'm going to see what I can accomplish for probably sub $100, just to enhance, and then eventually I'll replace everything. But I need a little bit more lighting in here also to help with video. I like this guy. It's very bright when I look at it, but it definitely helps with this backlighting. I would say, yeah, I would say it definitely helps. So maybe even another one on this side, and maybe one right here. So maybe two or three. I don't have any. I have one light socket bulb. That's about it. So yeah, I have a couple that are old too. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see what's going on. I'll also throw a couple pictures of what I currently have and how great it looks in here. Um, yeah, so let's see what happens. So I picked up. I don't know if you can. Sabog Ultra Bright LED garage lights. I wanted to see what these were going to be like when I turn this one on. I don't know if they're adjustable color. They're supposedly brighter than these guys. Um, yeah. So I guess I will find out. Oh, it's a plug. Oh, that's kind of cool. So I can turn it on with one switch. That's neat. I might have to pick up a couple of these then. So I can just turn on one and have all my lights come on. I was going to try and use these for like filming lights. So I guess let's see. Whee. Yeah, they're about the same. Maybe a little bit brighter. Yeah, that'll be good. I might hang one right there, and I might even put another one right here. I got two of them, so I guess we'll find out. It's kind of cool. All right, let's get these guys installed. Let's see what happens. Oh, look, a dead fly. It means it's hot. That's what I take from it, you know? What in the world happened here? As my butt's in the shot, probably. You know what? Let's lower it just a bit then. That way, it kind of hangs a little lower. I can fix that. There we go. Okay. Oh, they all plug in. Oh, okay. Well, that works. So let's do this. Okay. So we are going to daisy chain. What the? Okay, well, the garage door is not supposed to move like that. So, all right. Push you up and out of the way. Let's bring you down a little bit. That's as tight of a zoom as I can get. Okay. Without a wide angle. And it's hot in here. It's only 93 degrees only. You know? I just want to do a test. See how the lighting is going to look. This is without the new lighting. And this is with the new lighting. I think it works pretty good. I'll have to check the shadows. I might adjust this way more. I take off my hat maybe. I'll have to see. It's hot, sorry. See how this looks, along with filming everything else. I probably shouldn't wear a hat anymore. Or at least not. Sorry, mic's right here. Or at least change it, so that way y'all can see my face. Because if I wear a hat backwards, then you can see my eyeballs at least. For like the shadowing, I'd have to do some uplighting or something. Yeah, I mean, I guess we'll see on the video. Just adding 2 extra lights, what it can do to my video presentation. So we'll find out. Hey guys, editing Sean here. As I went through the video to finalize it, I didn't add the basic stuff at the very end. You know, like, subscribe, share, save it. I have other playlists going too. Down in the comments, let me know what you guys think of the lighting situation. I think it's much better, especially right now, looking at it a couple days later with these lights on. I think it definitely makes a big difference when it's looking at me, my hat backwards. Also shining on the table. There's a lot more light on here, so when I'm doing close-ups or unboxings of things, you'll definitely be able to see it. So yeah, just like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.